Welcome to the Political Rounds with me, the voice right here on Ghana SMTV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Anas, Aremeya, Anas, Wabolos, Waboka. Waboka pa, na wedie, asemde, esansemi, honorable Kennedy Japan, or ye MPP, ni, na, onye MPP ni bia keke, or yo bia. Oye very very important or MPP mu. And he say asem tu no na nyame adom na asem no ye diwie ye na asem pa free mu ba no esa ye nyina ye ninji na enne aye 11th May. Okay, Endra 11th May na Anas Aremeya Anas omo company aye Tiger IPI release notification bi and I say notice bi about send asem na kwakode ewo court hono. Now here is what it reads. Ewo Tiger IPI omo headline I say na mid bebre screen so mo we hu. Our victory is in the judgment and not the award. Our victory is in the judgment and not the award. As Ghanaians may recall, a couple of weeks ago, an American jury found Kennedy Japan guilty of maliciously defaming my character. Consequent to the finding by the jury, an amount of $18 million was awarded in my favor against Kennedy Japan. Following the award, Kennedy Japan filed a motion for remittiture, whatever it is, asking the judge to reduce the amount awarded against him. Thus, inherent in his motion, Kennedy Japan admitted to having maliciously defamed me. Today, the trial judge granted Kennedy Japan's motion for remittiture and reduced the initial award to $500. This means that while the judge held that Kennedy Japan had defamed me in his reasoning, the award against Kennedy Japan by the jury was excessive. Many avenues of redemption accrued to me, but it is important to state, as I previously did, that this fight has not been about the money, but rather a fight for truth and justice. I'm happy that not a single allegation was proven against me in court when Kennedy Japan was given full opportunity to substantiate. I will continue in my relentless fight against corruption, and in doing that, continue to name, shame, and jail. Signed, Tiger IPI. Alas, Anas Ubwa. Ubwa. She. Wait the yo yapa essence. When the court came up with the judgment, I must confess this. Who say US for it any time no difference room. And I actually it was around 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. honum na. No say I said documentary bin na Anas page. Me ko share Anas say why or ye PR be can send be na $18 million be hey. Me say na onam ke ye pon ko nya $18 million we free man say. Wadi boy no. And now I announced the so Baba Sika Gary $18 million. Ebi wom. And then as announced because enya about the money and whatever intro. Number 2. Say who announced we catch say a judge no take here judge no agree say ke Japan wan defame o. An offense. So judge may reduces scar from $18 million to $500, less than 50 million Ghana cedis, 5 million Ghana, 5,000 Ghana cedis. As I mean, an assistant no. 8 from $18 million per coupe $500. We just say judge na cash na wako din kuku. Anas wedding kuku. Some of the comments are coming in from Ghanaians. We are from GH based news. So see, From 80 million to $500. Hey, Ohiniba Elijah says, Chrisia, Yami na tuauka peteba. Peteba. Or free. This is from Miss Jerry. See, so Anas only got 6,462 Ghanaian cedis from the lawsuit. Something Samiji can give Agrada for pure water. How would Anas pay for his flight ticket? How will he pay for his lawyers? Kilantia. Chris MD says this was a drastic reduction, 18 million to 500. Wow. Elijah says that, hey, if this had happened in Ghana, I tell you, people would have accused the judge of taking bribe. Isaac Osemensan says, so are you saying that they had awarded you the 18 million, you wouldn't have taken the money? And she say, and I say, about the money, about the money. And he beside say, Sanka, the $18 million no man, I can't onji. Kabeji, papa. Okay, can I know tumna? I grow or do or system or system was okay or said, my friend, go and sit down somewhere. Bright Brown says that thank God it didn't happen in Ghana. Our judges can rest today. Kaneke Bimu, right? Anana Mwaku says that we are funny pa. You think you are the only smart nigga in Ghana. Go and watch your video in the courtroom. Machiu. It was from Abdul Wedu Tazano say, we need your attention at the Ghana Airport Terminal 3. The corruption there is promas. Terminal 3 hold here. Koka once a man. Akron Opoti says that it is also a father from 80 million to $500. Your lawyers must be sad. Prince Ohene Bananakwesi said that you are now giving us different stories. Kojo Danga said it was about the money on you. Parkhouse says my single question is why sue if the Anas Ken shows were not you as claimed by Kweku Baku. Ba Achamfo says that great. You fought a good fight. At least generations yet unborn can label you as what Ken was saying. Justice has really been served. Even if Ken was made to pay $1, the court still found him guilty. Continue your good work. Stay blessed. So we are some of the reactions that are coming from Ghanaians about the latest AyEka. The judge has only awarded $500. AyEka, almost 6,000 Ghana cedis to Anas. Now, Nkofo Bisa say, now Anas in the plane ticket from Ghana, echo US on no. Maybe I got in our US when you know, $500 as him. There be. Ni lawyers, fees, baby no, $500 as him. There be. But wait there, ya any tia. Ya danyamia say, where ye papa Kennedy Japan, free amaniemu. This has been the political round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. And then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.